What's up everyone, my name is Pompsy and today we're going to be spending $100. Alright, so first up is the roller coaster here. It was $19 even, so we're down to $81 total. Next is the locker. We need a locker to keep our stuff safe while we're going on the roller coaster. It only costs $1. Now we're getting a slice of pizza and a water in the downtown area of New York, New York, in the nice little downtown New York City village.
One bottle of water, one slice of pizza, $11.38.
Okay, we're about to go wash down our pizza with some espresso, and we have $68.62 left. So far, so good. Not doing too bad. So the double shot espresso cost me $4.06. Now we're at $64.56 left. Las Vegas Magnet, $5.57. We have $58.99 left. What's up? We're in the Reese's store now, looking for some type of chocolate. Hershey store, not Reese's, Hershey store. There's a lot of Reese's here though, in my defense.
So we just got this Kit Kat cookie at the Hershey store and it was $6.45, which means we still have $52.54 left.
Today's video is sponsored by Hopper. So Hopper is a travel app for Android and iOS that uses data-driven technology to save you money on flights, hotels, and even car rentals. So the first time I ever heard about Hopper was just from a simple Google search. I need to book a flight and Hopper was one of the cheapest available options to book a flight through. So that's how I first got acquainted with Hopper. But now it's just so obvious that Hopper is one of the most advanced ways to book flights or hotels because of their system, their data-driven system, which it might sound confusing or a little, high level, but really it just saves you money. They can predict when prices are falling for flights and hotels and car rentals and when prices are gonna skyrocket. So what you can do is you can plan your trips better. You can plan them, okay, the flight's gonna be 3 times cheaper on this day than this day, so let's book then. You can even do things like get notified when prices drop. So if you're unsure, maybe I don't want to book right now, but hey, notify me when this price falls below this price, and boom, you get a notification on your phone directly and you can immediately go boom and lock in that flight or hotel, So it's a really, really cool system they have. It's definitely something you should look into if you're going to be booking. Do me a favor, if you're interested, if you want to at least check it out to see if you could potentially save some money next time you're coming to Vegas on a hotel or a flight, check it out, the link in the description. So yeah, thank you so much to Hopper, shout out to Hopper. Hopefully you guys can save some money and plan your Vegas trips to the optimal level. So let's get back to the video now.
So we got a cocktail called Passion at the Center Bar here in New York, New York, and it was $12 including the tip. So we still have $40.54 left.
So we have $40 left, $40.54 to be exact. So we're gonna throw in $20 in a slot now. I feel like we had to include a little bit of gambling in this video. at the arcade now. We put in $20, so we have $20 to play all kinds of different arcade games. That brings us down to 54 cents. And that's gonna pretty much do it for the $100. Let's have some fun with arcades though.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. So we start with 200 points. You get 200 points for $20. We have 70 left, still a decent amount, essentially $7 left. But we played a good amount of games already, so it's pretty fun here. So all the games here reward you with points. So the better you do, the more points you get, which you can redeem for prizes at the end. I don't know if you can hear me, it's very, very loud in here.
Now we can see how many tickets we have and what we can get.
Look how big this is, what the heck?
We have 149 tickets.
149, okay. What can we get with that?
We got a ring pop.
Ring pop.
Do we keep this?
So that about wraps it up here for the first installment of this new series. I hope I showed you a decent variety of things you can do with $100 at New York, New York. If you guys wouldn't mind, I would love it if you guys could comment below some of the other properties you would love to see featured, some of the things you would like us to do and show and document how much they cost, you know, yada yada. Anyway, besides that, thank you guys so much for watching and have a fantastic rest of your day. For real. Thank you and bye-bye.